Periods are a completely natural and normal process of our body. Nature has given girls the unique ability to bring new life or children into this world in the future. When girls grow up, their bodies carefully prepare a safe, healthy, and nourishing place in the uterus every month for this important purpose. Until pregnancy occurs, the body expels this preparation, and the blood that comes out during this time is called periods. Periods indicate that a girl's body is healthy, strong, and ready to nurture life. They are neither dirty nor shameful. In fact, they are completely natural. The process of periods is not the work of just one organ. It is completed through the teamwork of several organs and hormones in the body. First comes the hypothalamus, the supervisor of the brain. It keeps track of the body's age, growth, and the changes happening inside. Next is the hormone control manager, the pituitary gland. It understands the instructions from the hypothalamus and sends out hormones accordingly. Now, let's talk about our two ovaries, which gradually and carefully prepare one egg each month for its onward journey. Did you know that when your mom was still growing inside your grandmother's womb, you were already safely present as a tiny, delicate egg in her ovary, waiting for your own time to begin? That means the story of life begins much earlier. The next important organ is the uterus. This is the place where, in the future, the baby stays. Every month, the uterus gently prepares itself by making its lining soft and especially rich in important nutrients with blood and tissues so that it can support new life if needed. After this, there is a pathway in the body through which blood exits during periods. Now, let's understand the role of hormones. Hormones are the messengers of the body. Just like a phone call, they deliver important information from one organ to another. 5 hormones play a very important role in the process of periods. GnRH, FSH, LH, estrogen, progesterone. Now let's listen. The real conversation between the organs. Hello, pituitary. This is hypothalamus speaking. I'm speaking. I'm observing the body very closely. The age is gradually increasing, the body is changing, and it has moved beyond childhood. Now the time has come to begin the next phase. I'm sending you an important message. GnRH hormone, start preparing for what's next. Copy that, sir.
Message received. Now I'm sending hormones so the ovaries can start their work. Hello, ovaries. Listen closely. I'm sending 2 hormones, FSH and LH.
Come on, friend. Let's start the work of developing the egg this month. Hello, ovary. We've arrived.
Now start developing the egg slowly. Remember, both of you have millions of eggs. But every month, only 5 to 15 eggs will wake up in your follicle sacs. But out of these, only 1 will be fully ready this month.
Okay, we're starting to develop the eggs. I made the egg last time, so it's your turn this time. Hello, uterus. The egg will be ready in a few weeks. We're also sending an estrogen hormone that we've produced to you.
I'm thickening my inner lining and accumulating and storing blood and important nutrients in it. If an egg settles, it will find a safe place right here.
Hello, ovaries. The egg is now fully ready. Now let it come out. This is called ovulation. I've come out of the ovary. Now I'm moving towards the uterus through the fallopian tube. I've arrived safely in the uterus, and the uterus has prepared itself very well to thoroughly nourish and support me here. I'm happy here, but I'm alone. But it seems it's not time to get pregnant yet. I suppose I'll have to go now. Maybe.
I don't need this thick lining anymore. I'm sending the egg and this lining out of the body along with blood. Okay, the hormone signals are being turned off. The path is open. The blood that comes out for 3 to 7 days is what we call periods.
Why is my stomach hurting so much? I can't bear it anymore. I'm contracting a bit, so there might be mild cramps or pain. It's not harmful. I just want to clean myself out completely, so that next month I can prepare fresh for a new egg again.
This process starts from adolescence. It's repeated each and every month, continues and lasts for many years, and stops at menopause, until the ovaries' millions of eggs are exhausted. Periods are not an illness. They're a sign of better understanding of body organs and good health,